All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry, I caught a head cold, so I'll do my best to not sound like a frog. But my name is Kirsten Edmondson-Wolf. I am the Senior Director for AppSource Product Marketing at Microsoft, and I am here today to talk to you about Microsoft's new marketplaces and how it will help change the way you procure software. So what our customers have been telling us, and Forrester's customers have been telling them, is that they are beginning to move, as they move to the cloud, they want to be able to take advantage of cloud-based marketplaces and really to be able to deploy specific applications that extend the software they already own in an easy, reliable, cost-efficient manner. They want to cut salespeople out of the process so that they can specifically go and search for what they're looking for, compare it across different applications, and really drive synergies with their business and extend the investment that they've already made. Forrester estimates, based on what you have and all of our customers have said, is that in 2 years, up to 75% of procurement will come through a cloud-based marketplace, either from from Microsoft or from one of the other technology providers. Why? A lot of folks would say, yeah, we've been hearing this for a while. Why will our business customers start to ask for online marketplaces? And it really comes, what we're seeing in our research is it comes from the changing nature of commerce. And as millennials start to become more influential in their specific companies, they grew up in the internet age where you will go online and you will do your own searches. You will do your own research. You don't necessarily want to talk to other humans. You actually want to just do it yourself. So you can discover more easily. You can try it yourself. We actually have, there's 2 marketplaces that we're demoing here on the show floor. One is AppSource, which is right behind me. That is for business audience and business applications. And the other is Azure Marketplace, which is across the way, which is specifically IT and IT departments deploying into your Azure instance. So you can trial a lot of these applications with ease right from your desktop. You can discover, try, and buy them as well. If you are a Microsoft customer, and I assume all of you are Microsoft customers, you will be able to actually buy them through the stores inside your specific product instance. Sorry, still getting over my sinus infection. You can also manage them through. Inside your product, you can actually manage which apps you have and how your people inside the organization are leveraging them. And it allows you also to connect with other people. You'll see in a minute when we show the way we're building our marketplaces, there's actually social networking involved, and you can also compare and contrast and do reviews and leave product reviews inside the marketplace. Where Microsoft is going is our marketplaces will be the place where you can purchase, discover, trial, and purchase cloud applications. We're investing in this platform across all of our product sets. I'll show you in a minute where you can find specific add-ons and extensions of your specific product that you own now. And we will be moving continuously with continual investments in this direction going forward. We built our marketplace with 2 very fundamental grounding principles. All of the applications in the marketplace are validated by Microsoft engineers. So you know and you can trust that the application there is what we say it is and is an extension of what you have. The other grounding principle we have is the seamless discovery and purchasing of the application, so that it will be easy for you. We are focusing very much on our customers and what they're asking us for and making it as seamless as possible for you. So what does that mean? You said you were going to tell me that there's some sort of something in there, Kirsten, that connects back to what I own. Here's what we've done. We have one marketplace platform. where all of Microsoft's cloud applications are available today. What we've done, however, is we've actually segmented it by the audience, whether it's a business audience, so a line of business manager, I am a director of operations in manufacturing, or I am the head of marketing for a retail company, or I'm in IT and I really need to worry about security products or networking products. We've actually made it easy for you. Even though you can purchase everything, you can actually deploy from our marketplace. What we've done is we've made it clear. There's very specific IT and dev tools in the Azure marketplace, and they're very line of business applications, productivity applications inside AppSource. So let me give you some of the details there. One, our audience very specifically for Azure Marketplace is IT pros and developers, as I just said. What you find in there is the building blocks for all of your IT needs and your development needs. You can also find consulting services. So for instance, you buy a security product, you need some help. We have our system integrator partners there who have consulting services offers to help you implement what you've purchased. We have test drives. So a test drive is an instance inside a Microsoft specific tenant that will give you a 1 to 2 to 3 hour highly curated experience that delivers exactly what the curation says when you go and you sign up for the test drive. With Azure Marketplace, you actually, if you have an Azure tenant now or you have consumption, you can actually just download it and start using it immediately. You buy directly from Azure Marketplace, and it deploys directly into your Azure tenant. With AppSource, anyone here who's ever used business applications, it's slightly more complex, so we've built that into the delivery. One, AppSource is specifically for business users, as I said. I'm VP of sales or I'm director of operations. The apps inside AppSource are specifically mapped to an industry. So if you are in retail, you will find retail apps in here. If you're in government or healthcare, you will find those applications in here as well. So for instance, over here I was working with a partner that's delivering a licensing and permitting solution for local government. It's actually an app inside AppSource that deploys directly into Dynamics 365 that will allow you as a government official to deploy a licensing and permitting solution that will allow you to be much more effective and efficient with managing that process in your local government. So you'll find they're all industry aligned. We've also done test drives here. You'll notice in AppSource that there's 4 specific types of apps that we have in there. One, you'll see Get It Now. Get It Now deploys that app directly into your tenant. Those are primarily Office 365. So you go into Office 365 and you hit the store button in the corner, and you'll be able to see all of the extensions of Office 365 that come straight out of AppSource. Or you can go to appsource.com and search for Office 365, I'll show you in a minute, and see all of the options that you have. And it says Get It Now. It means you can deploy it immediately. Test drive is the same as I explained in Azure Marketplace. It's an opportunity for you to go in a highly curated experience and actually see what the app can do for you based on the product set that you've already purchased. So for instance, we have a test drive again. The licensing and permitting solution is actually a test drive of it. So you would go in as a local government official and you would see how that application would deploy into your environment. We also have free trials. So many of our apps are specifically a 30-day trial that lets you go and configure it yourself to map to your specific instance. So it gives you a little bit more flexibility, it gives you a little bit more time to actually learn about the app and the way it can positively impact your business. And then we also have what are called web apps, and those are specifically the advanced analytics applications from Azure. They will also leverage a template from Power BI so that you can actually see the data as relevant for you and make decisions on it a little bit quicker. You can deploy the Power BI templates directly into your Power BI instance. The way you buy applications are through the partner that is actually selling it on the app. There's next to it, to the test drive button, is also a contact me button, which will connect you directly with the partner, and they will get you up and running as quickly as possible. To give you a very high level, specifically where, as I said, IT is primarily focused in Azure Marketplace. As you can see here, your VMs, your multiple VMs, your individual containers are all in Azure Marketplace. You can get SaaS apps for both. The SaaS apps in Azure Marketplace are primarily IT driven, whereas the SaaS apps in AppSource are specifically line of business. You can see them, you can deploy them, you can try them. We also have, because of the nature of Dynamics 365, Office 365, and Power BI, they are products that are specifically connected to business users. So you will find all of the extensions for those in AppSource. The last thing that Forrester said, this is in the same research as before, and this was something that they commissioned themselves. They actually, because of the speed with which the customers told them that they're going to move to online business application marketplaces and online cloud marketplaces, they actually believe you need to start looking at this now. Even before you're not quite sure exactly how you're going to leverage, this is where all of our partners are putting their new applications and their new apps as an extension or an add-on to their Microsoft products today. We're no longer going to be having them as separate or bolt-on. We're going to be deploying them through our marketplaces, whether it's Azure Marketplace or AppSource Marketplace. So this is really the future. So I only give you a very high level today because I wanted to just kind of wet your whistle. There are multiple sessions that will be held later. We do have a demo station here if you want to go and see, and I'm going to show you a little bit in a minute. I've got a couple more minutes. I'm going to do a demo of AppSource real quick. We do have a totem here right around the corner with engineers from AppSource. Across the way, we have Azure Marketplace if you're more interested in some of the IT offerings we have in. It's right over there. There will be two sessions. One is Azure AppSource. I'll be going into some detail. We'll be actually having engineering with me to really go through the detail of AppSource. And then Azure Marketplace on Friday, if you wanted to get into more detail with that. So let me see really quickly. So this is AppSource. Now this is the web version. So if you are a Dynamics 365 user or you are an Office 365 user, you would simply go up to, I can't show you right now, the waffle, which is in the corner. You pull it down and there's a store. You know, Microsoft has standardized on the store logo, which is the little shopping bag with the Microsoft logo on it. If you pull it down and you hit that, that's AppSource. It doesn't say AppSource, but the store that underlies both Office 365 and Dynamics 365 is AppSource. The same is true for Power BI. So if you're in Power BI and you hit the waffle, you pull it down. All of the templates that are available in Power BI are there, and they come from AppSource. So what you can see here, can I touch? No. Bummer. So what you can see here is we have a number of applications listed by industry. We've got a number of featured apps. Unfortunately, I don't have touch on this one, so I'll just scroll down a little bit. So for instance, if you were to hit retail here, Affinio would come up. Affinio is a partner that's built a application using Azure Machine Learning and Azure Advanced Analytics that integrates with Dynamics 365 for retail, as well as Dynamics 365 for customer engagement. The idea is it actually allows you to understand what's happening in your retail environment so you can do a better job of procuring and delivering the right products at the right time to the right customers. Another example is another partner in a different industry. BC Platforms leverages Microsoft's genomics offer, and they deliver genomic testing solutions for hospitals. This integrates and sends it right into, using Microsoft Flow, we'll send that data right into a patient record inside Dynamics 365 for case management. So you actually can take genomics data and leverage it against specific care plans for customers, all out of AppSource. So this is just to show you the variety of things that you can see and that you can test inside AppSource. We also have, if you wanted to just choose, I'm Dynamics 365. So there are over 1,000 apps that specifically are extensions of Dynamics 365. And you will see them here. They are sorted in terms of number of downloads. So when it says top results, those are the top downloads that we've had from AppSource. You can go in and say you want to understand, I want to get insights from my Dynamics 365. You'll go to this solution page. Get It Now, as I said, is one of those things that once you go to, great, I want to get it now, this will deploy immediately into your instance of Dynamics 365. You're not going to pay for it. It's something that's already included. You can, if you are, for instance, you're on the subway or on the train and you really want to get this, you'll save it now or save it for later. And then when you get to your desktop, you can pop it open and deploy it from there. We also have demos, click-through demos, so if you want to see it before you actually download it, it's here as well. And then we've got oh, I'm so used to the touch screen, I forgot how to use a mouse. We also have reviews, so you can go and actually see what our customers are saying and get more information about it. The other thing you can see is which products from Microsoft does it deploy into, and specifically more information about that app. With that, I have 3 minutes left for questions. This is the fastest I've ever gone through AppSource. Usually I take 45 minutes. I will actually be giving the session on Wednesday if you have more questions, but do we have any questions now? All right. Thank you very much for your time today. I hope you learned a little bit about our marketplaces. I encourage you to see both AppSource and Azure Marketplace and come to our sessions later in the week. Thank you.